Hello, my name is Danielle Gatti Palumbo. I'm a clinical pharmacist here at the Division of Rheumatology at Northwell Health in Long Island, New York. And today I'll be talking to you about the mechanism of action of Guselkumab. It's important to know how Guselkumab works with the interleukins and such. So IL-23 or interleukin-23 is a pro-inflammatory cytokine that is produced both by dendritic and macrophages, which differentiates and activates T helper Th17 cells that then in turn produce IL-17 and other pro-inflammatory cytokines, which leads to tissue inflammation and chronic inflammation that we see in psoriatic arthritis, psoriasis, and also IBD. In psoriasis and psoriatic arthritis, IL-23 signals the activation of Th17 in the skin and also the joints. And this then in turn produces inflammation and inflammatory cytokines to be released, such as IL-17A and also IL-17F, which contributes to psoriatic plaque development as well as joint inflammation. In IBD, IL-23 again activates Th17 in the gut mucosa, and this results in the production of inflammatory cytokines and IL-17 that disrupt the intestinal barrier function, contributes to mucosal barrier dysfunction, and causes tissue damage in the GI tract. This then leads to chronic inflammation that we see in both Crohn's and ulcerative colitis. Guselkumab is a monoclonal antibody that specifically binds to the P19 subunit in IL-23, thereby inhibiting IL-23 signaling. By inhibiting this signaling, it reduces the levels of IL-17A, IL-17F, as well as IL-22. Guselkumab inhibits the release of pro-inflammatory cytokines and also chemokines. However, Guselkumab also poses a very unique mechanism in which it has this dual binding capacity that simultaneously both engages not only the IL-23 receptor, but also the CD64 expressing cells. And this dual binding actually enhances the therapeutic effect of Guselkumab by facilitating a more targeted delivery to the site of inflammation, promoting interactions with immune cells involved in the inflammatory process. So overall, targeting the CD64 cells in the context of IL-23 is a more strategic approach in treating immune-mediated inflammatory diseases that we do see in psoriasis, psoriatic arthritis, as well as IBD. So Guselkumab gives a more targeted delivery, improves efficacy, and also minimizes off-target effects, leading to better outcomes. Thank you.